Well, hey, what's up, everyone? I'm Dan Barefoot checking in from the always sunny Los Angeles, California.
And I'm MJ coming to you from the beautiful and buzzing Bogota, Colombia.
Hmm.
You're tuned into Winstream, your go to source for everything digital graphics and what's coming next.
Well, I'm glad it's buzzing. Hey, you know what? If it's Thursday, it's another wonderful day at Windstream It. We've had a great run lately on Windstream It, and today we're keeping the momentum going with a familiar guest. One of our friends from CutWorks USA is back.
That's right, CutWorks has been an absolute tear lately. Dan and I have
Mhm.
been blown away by how many new products and partner brands they've recently introduced, especially in the large and grand format cutting and finishing
Mhm.
space.
Totally agree. The other day I was catching up with Ram DeVarco, GM over at CutWorks, and as we discussed, it's really hard to name another company in the Americas offering more in digital cutting and finishing. And that really says a lot.
Yeah, no doubt, Dan. This is their second time joining us on the show. In our first session, they brought some great insights and energy,
Mhm.
and we're expecting nothing less today.
CutWorks USA and its partner brands have carved out a strong niche in the market, offering smart, value driven solutions backed by top tier customer support, all in the cutting and finishing segment. Clearly, it's working. They're now serving over 30,000, yes, 30,000 customers.
I remember our first session with CutWorks and Neil, and today we're part of another big moment. CutWorks USA
Mhm.
has signed a distribution deal with COMAGRAV, a cutting edge company based in the Czech Republic.
That's right. This is a major win for CutWorks and a really smart move for COMAGRAV, too.
True.
We've had a front row seat as they planned and prepared to bring COMAGRAV's advanced CNC technology into the US market. While their official debut will be at Printing United this October, CutWorks has been laying the groundwork with press releases, product previews, and of course, our own Windstream It.
And speaking of Printing United, then CutWorks USA will be unveiling the Notus Plus for the very first time at the show. And I know a lot of people in the industry are
Mhm.
eager to see this machine up close. It's a serious piece of equipment, and today we're lucky to have someone with us who knows it inside and out.
And that's right. And to just add to that, CutWorks USA is gearing up for a major presence at Printing United this year. They're bringing some incredible new products, and I've got booth number 848. That's 848 circled on my map. I can't wait to check it out.
Same here then, and who knows? Maybe we'll even get a little sneak peek today. Hopefully, Bart can give us an exclusive look at what else CutWorks will be showing off at the booth.
All right, we've been talking about him long enough. Time to bring him in. By the way, who is him? I can't believe we haven't introduced him yet.
Let's fix that then. We're thrilled to welcome back Marc Rannow, National Sales Manager at COMAGRAV USA. He's here to give us the inside scoop on COMAGRAV, break down the cutting edge tech they're bringing to the market, and walk us through a full presentation of the Notus Plus, one of the most exciting new CNC machines we've seen.
Hey, Mark. It's great to have you back on Windstream It. Now we know who him is, okay? thanks,
It's
thanks
great to
for
be back. Thanks, guys.
thanks for joining us.
Thank you. Well, today we're going to start off with a COMAGRAV introduction video.
Okay. Wow, that's a product line. Thanks, Marc and COMAGRAV. That was a wonderful overview of the COMAGRAV company. I didn't realize they did so much. Hey, let's have a sneak peek at one of the major products that will be launched during Printing United, the Notus Plus.
Let's do
Marc?
that. Thank you. Yep. So CutWORX USA and COMAGRAV are bringing the Notus Plus 3000 to the booth this year. There we go. So this will be the first of its kind machine like this in the US. It's a next generation flatbed cutting system engineered with industrial grade precision, modular tooling flexibility for high speed production. It's built on a welded steel base frame, rack and pinion drive, planetary gearboxes. It's smooth, it's fast, it's accurate, even under those demanding routing workloads. So we've ordered this machine with a few upgrades, one of those being the carbon fiber gantry. It reduces the weight by about 160 pounds. It outperforms the standard steel gantries that you see. It's faster and it's more rigid. And then we've also upgraded the tabletop from the standard phenolic to the milled aluminum surface, which is usually flatter, and it's more thermally stable for the routing precision. The machine has available modules like pneumatic cutting, electric oscillating knives, motor cutting discs, tangential tools, creasing wheels, drag knives, V-cut tools, you name it. With the automatic multi-Z package, adds the wider Z-axis housing area, extended gantry reach, and the camera registration system, the tool changer, and laser Z sensor for setting the depth of the tools automatically. With the camera-based registration, Z-axis automation, and the modular expandability, the Notus Plus is built to meet the evolving needs of signage, packaging, and specialty graphics professionals. So at CutWORX USA, we're bringing this platform in North America with our expert configuration support and strategic focus on scalable automation. So one of the big differences here is this one comes with a heavy-duty routing unit. So it's a 9.6 kilowatt or 13 horsepower routing spindle with ceramic bearings. It's got the tapered tool holders with the ER32 collets. It's capable of 24,000 RPM, and we are supplying it with the 3 kilowatt industrial waste extraction vacuum system to remove all the debris while you're cutting. And speaking of vacuum, this one comes with the Becker high pressure vacuum pump. So more than enough vacuum to hold down anything from a piece of styrene to, say, a piece of 3-inch thick foam. Lots and lots of hold down vacuum for all your needs.
Wow, Marc, that's great. Hey, at Printing United, what is your booth number?
It's 848.
Well, we can't wait to come and do a quick take on that unit and some of the other units. Hey, in the meantime, we've had several questions come forth. Will CutWORX be carrying the entire COMAGRAV product line?
Yeah, we sure are. We're showcasing the Notus Plus 3000 at the show this year. As North America's exclusive partner, we'll be offering the entire line of the Notus and Digi series platforms.
That's great. Also, what was the main reason for focusing on the Notus Plus during Printing United?
A good question. With the Notus Plus, we're bringing a truly focus-built machine to this industry. One that was built with the extended array of materials being cut now. The industrial system will also complement our existing platforms really well.
That's good. Hey, are you going to be going after customers that might be outside of your traditional printing and signage market with this product line?
We absolutely will. It opens up a number of new markets for CutWORX, like cabinet builders, woodworkers, metal fabricators, companies that need that heavy-duty routing capability.
Okay.
Great. And who is your target market for this type of product?
Well-rounded sign shops, ones that need to be able to cut the thicker aluminums along with things like styrene or foam board. This system is capable of also working with the 3D sign making software like Enroute. And with 3D capabilities, this will open up more market segments and for the present businesses with more options.
Great.
That's great. What type of software controls the Notus Plus? I noticed you mentioned 3D and things of that nature. What software comes with the product, and what do you recommend?
Okay, well, Enroute's a great 3D, design software, but the machine itself comes with a suite that's designed to work in a standard kind of sign shop. It's much like other cutting softwares. You open a layered file with registration marks, and you basically just tell it what tool to use, and it'll connect with most of the RIPs easily to open up your standard cutting files like PDFs and DXFs.
Okay.
Great. And Marc, since you're talking about the software, what is the learning curve for this type of software? And what is the training and installation like?
It all depends. If the customer already has a digital cutter or router, the learning curve can be quite short. But if it's the first time using a machine like this, then it may take a little bit longer. But generally, we can have someone running the machine in just a few days, and then the proficiency comes the more that they use it. For the installation, usually installation training is about a week. The machine comes mostly assembled, so the installation time is really minimal. And then we spend the rest of that time on training.
Okay.
That's great.
Great.
Yeah.
Hey, I know that CUTWORX USA usually brings a full contingent of products to major trade shows such as Printing United. What other products will you be showing? And one other question too. With such a wide range of products, are you going to have the participation of your vendors at the booth as well?
Oh, we sure will. Usually, most of the manufacturers send a few people to help us out in the booth. But this year we'll have the 1700 series CWT applicator table as usual. This is a flagship product for us. It's a platform that every shop can benefit from having. We'll also have the Apex. It's another series flagship product of ours. And this year we'll be showing the Apex M series, which is a magnetic drive flatbed cutting system. For the sheet fed workflows, we'll have our Eclipse series digital die cutters paired up with the Matrix, which is a soft touch and foil laminator. And then our flatbed cutter presentation will also include our Apex Pro platform, equipped with the scanning vision system for the textile processing. We have a diverse range of solutions that will also include another one of our featured products from an Italian manufacturer, Neolt Factory. Their XY cutting system will be demonstrating automation in line with Canon's Colorado M Series UV gel printer. And there may just be something very new and equally exciting in the booth. You'll have to stop by to see that or join us for another Windstream It session with Steen Mikkelsen.
Yes.
Oh, that's great. And Marc, last question. Will you have any surprise announcements at the show?
You're just going to have to stop by the booth, booth 848, to find out for yourself.
And what was that booth number?
848.
Hey, this was a great conversation. It's always great to hear about new products and companies that are shaping our industry. Marc, thank you so much, and we really appreciate your participation and CUTWORX USA with us on Windstream It. I was going to say windstreamit.com. If you need other information, by the way, it's www.cutworksusa.com.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Thank you. Thank you, Marc. This has been a great session, and the best part is we've got plenty more like this coming up on Windstream It.
We sure do. But before we say adios, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to Win Quick News, our weekly newsletter. It's the easiest way to stay on top of everything happening in the world of graphics imaging.
We've got some great content from the TF Expo, ISA, FESPA Berlin, Createx, and the Grafica, and I'll be reporting live from FESPA Mexico soon too.
You're going to be in Mexico City? Oh,
yes,
I'm
jealous.
I
am. You should be.
I know, you're right. And speaking of big news, World Imaging News and Win Latino are now official media sponsors of Printing United.
That's true, Dan. And more breaking news, we're also proud to be of.
I'm Dan Barefoot.
And I'm MJ.
And until next time, be healthy and keep on smiling.
Manténganse saludables y sigan sonriendo.